This is the A-pillar on the passenger side of the Capri. We had a fair bit of rust along inside around the supports for the door hinges, and had to make up some new bits. So what I did, I cut a cardboard template and then made this up here. So put the flanges on it, made it up so it would fit in, and then replaced internally in here or round up in here to have it a little bit more integrity than what it had, because it was pretty rusty. So this one goes in here, and then replace the internal support for the windscreen frame. And we had this around here which was full of rust inside, on the front, on the back. So I got this piece made overseas and then rejigged it to fit our windscreen we had. So it was, I think this is the first time one's been made for this particular. Now we have it in place so we can weld it back in to make sure that we don't have any future rust coming through on the A-pillar. So we've made it to fit all the way around. So the next job is to weld that in. This is a bit of a major repair in the corner up here. It had all rotted inside, and the roof had rotted as well as all the A-pillar struts. Had to remake all the interior, all inside, around the hinges for the door as well, which had rusted on the inside. Had to cut them out, cut everything out, and then put in a new piece that we had made. And then we had to make a series of little pieces to make it up, to make it as one piece so I could fit it, and this is what I ended up with. Shaped them for the of the old ones that I took out, and weld them together, and on the inside of here and the outside of here. So it goes in pretty good. I'm just about to take it now, and we're going to finish it off with full welds. So it should be okay, I think. Hopefully everything's all fitting alright. Matched up the original guttering, and then going to be joining it onto the A-pillar with a couple of plug welds on the top there as well.